Imagine turning everyday actions on your smartphone into digital gold. This is the promise of Pi Network. A recent tweet from Kraken, a major crypto exchange, has sparked excitement and curiosity. While Bitcoin and Ethereum lead the space, Pi aims to democratize crypto for everyone. Could Kraken's nod be the breakthrough moment for Pi Network? Pi, or P, is a timeless mathematical wonder, representing the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. It's fundamental in geometry and science, and has fascinated minds for centuries. The Pi network draws inspiration from this marvel, aiming to create a stable, reliable digital currency rooted in logic and trust. Like Pi, it aspires to be essential, secure, and accessible for everyone. The Pi network has fostered a community of users affectionately known as pioneers. This title isn't just a playful nod but a testament to the groundbreaking journey these users undertake. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require significant computational power, Pi network allows users to mine Pi coins through a simple mobile app. This revolutionary approach democratizes cryptocurrency mining, making it accessible to millions across the globe. By using a consensus algorithm called the Stellar Consensus Protocol, or SCP, Pi Network ensures transactions are secure without the need for energy-intensive mining processes. Pioneers contribute to the network's security, validating each other's transactions, and building trust within the network. The app's design is intuitive, encouraging even those unfamiliar with cryptocurrency to join the digital currency revolution. This inclusivity is a cornerstone of Pi Network's appeal, offering an entry point for anyone interested in the potential of cryptocurrencies. The pioneer's journey is one of exploration and empowerment. By leveraging their everyday devices, they contribute to a growing ecosystem that promises to redefine economic participation in the digital age. Pi Network has introduced a concept known as economic pi, a playful yet ambitious nod to mathematics. The community often discusses the symbolic value of 314,159, drawing parallels with the mathematical pi. This number represents an aspirational milestone, a potential target for the value of Pi coins in the future. While some may view this as mere speculation, others see it as a symbol of the network's potential. The idea of economic pi captures the imagination, suggesting a future where Pi coins achieve significant economic value. This notion is reinforced by the community's belief in the network's mission and the potential for widespread adoption. The concept of economic pi serves as a rallying cry for pioneers, encouraging them to participate actively in the network. It symbolizes the collective dream of transforming Pi into a major player in the cryptocurrency realm. Whether or not this number becomes a reality, it fuels the community's drive and determination. The allure of economic pi lies in its ability to inspire and motivate. It represents a vision for the future, where Pi Network becomes a cornerstone of a new digital economy, supported by millions of dedicated pioneers. In the world of cryptocurrency, trust is paramount. The phrase "code never lies" encapsulates a fundamental principle. The integrity of a system depends on its code. In a decentralized network like Pi, where trust is established through technology, this mantra carries significant weight. Cryptocurrencies operate on blockchain technology, where transactions are transparent and immutable. This transparency is a cornerstone of trust, assuring users that the system operates as intended. In Pi Network, the code ensures that transactions are secure, fair, and verifiable, fostering confidence among pioneers. The trust in code is a departure from traditional financial systems, where human error or manipulation can occur. In contrast, blockchain technology removes the need for intermediaries, placing trust directly in the system's code. This not only enhances security, but also, promotes a sense of ownership and empowerment among users. As pioneers engage with Pi Network, the mantra "code never lies" serves as a reminder of the reliability and security that underpins the system. It reinforces the belief that technology can create a fair and equitable economic landscape. Mathematics is the backbone of cryptocurrency, providing the foundation for secure and reliable systems. In the world of crypto, numbers and algorithms govern the creation, transaction, and verification of digital assets. This reliance on mathematics ensures that processes are precise, predictable, and trustworthy. For Pi Network, the integration of mathematics is evident in its use of algorithms to validate transactions and maintain network integrity. The consistency of mathematical principles reassures users that the system is stable and reliable. This trust in numbers is crucial for fostering confidence in digital currencies, where users rely on the system's mathematical underpinnings to protect their assets. The interplay between math and trust is evident in the cryptographic techniques used to secure transactions. These techniques ensure that data is encrypted and protected from unauthorized access, reinforcing the security of the network. In Pi Network, as in other cryptocurrencies, mathematics is the silent guardian, ensuring that the system operates smoothly and securely. By intertwining mathematics and trust, Pi Network offers a compelling proposition for users seeking a secure and reliable digital currency. It highlights the essential role of mathematics in building and sustaining trust in the digital economy. Pi Network stands out in the crowded cryptocurrency market due to its unique economic model that prioritizes accessibility and inclusivity. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require high-powered computers, Pi Network allows users to mine coins using their smartphones. This innovation opens the doors for participation to anyone with a mobile device, democratizing the world of digital currency mining. The network's economic model is based on the principles of social security and inclusivity. Pioneers contribute to the network's security by validating transactions, fostering a sense of community and shared responsibility. This approach contrasts with the traditional proof-of-work method, which demands significant energy consumption and can limit participation to those with the necessary resources. By lowering the barriers to entry, Pi Network encourages widespread adoption and engagement. This model not only promotes inclusivity, but also enhances the network's resilience and scalability. As more users join the network, the system becomes stronger and more secure, benefiting all participants. Pi Network's unique economic model is a testament to its commitment to creating a more inclusive and accessible digital economy. It challenges traditional notions of cryptocurrency mining, offering a fresh perspective on how digital currencies can empower individuals worldwide. Kraken's recent tweet about Pi Network has set the stage for potential market excitement. As a major player in the crypto exchange world, Kraken's endorsement could signal increased interest and credibility for Pi Network. This attention might attract new users and investors, eager to explore the possibilities of Pi as a digital currency. The crypto community often reacts swiftly to endorsements from established exchanges. Kraken's tweet could act as a catalyst for Pi's price, sparking a rally and potentially leading to a new all-time high. The endorsement could also encourage other exchanges to consider listing Pi, further increasing its accessibility and market presence. For the pioneers, Kraken's interest represents a validation of their efforts and belief in Pi Network. It's an opportunity for the network to gain visibility and credibility in a crowded market, potentially leading to increased adoption and use. While the future remains uncertain, Kraken's tweet has undoubtedly added momentum to Pi Network's journey. Whether it leads to a significant market surge or not, it has already sparked renewed interest and excitement among the Pi community. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, taking a break can be as important as staying informed. For pioneers, stepping back from the constant buzz of the crypto markets provides an opportunity to recharge and gain perspective. Travel offers a fantastic way to unwind and experience new cultures, temporarily leaving behind the digital hustle. Venturing into new environments allows pioneers to refresh their minds and return with renewed energy and ideas. Whether exploring historical sites, enjoying nature, or delving into local cuisine, travel can offer a welcome respite from the intensity of the crypto world. It's a chance to disconnect and focus on the physical world, fostering personal growth and inspiration. For those deeply involved in Pi Network, a break can also provide clarity and a chance to reflect on their involvement and future aspirations. It's a reminder that while digital currencies are exciting and full of potential, maintaining a balance with the real world is equally important. Ultimately, taking a break allows pioneers to return to the Pi Network with fresh enthusiasm and a broader perspective, ready to contribute to its ongoing evolution with renewed vigor. As we conclude this exploration of Pi Network, its potential as a new economic powerhouse is both exciting and complex. The buzz around Pi highlights the dynamic nature of crypto and the importance of staying informed. Understanding Pi Network's foundations and future is essential for pioneers and new learners alike. Its unique approach emphasizes accessibility, inclusivity, and community. Staying engaged and adaptable will empower pioneers to thrive as Pi Network's journey unfolds.